I think watercolor allows you not to be too accurate, to let it draw itself and to be spontaneous.
Irena Spector is joining us live on February 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern. Paint an urban scene in a loose, impressionistic style while combining watercolor paints and pencils. We will start with quick preliminary exercises packed with practical tips on depicting people and everyday urban items like cars. Then, we will move on to the painting. Irena will show you how wet on wet can nullify the fear of the blank page and how simple drawing tips can set the mood for the piece. At the end of this class, you will be able to apply new techniques to your urban paintings. So download the reference photo and join us in this fun adventure. Until then, make more art.